welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to Fort Lauderdale because Duck Fest is in town, and if you don't know what Duck Fest is, it's this super big charity event thing, and basically the highlight of it is they dump a bunch of ducks in the river, and I'm so excited for it, dude. I'm wearing all yellow, well, mostly yellow and white, just for the occasion, and it's gonna be a banger. But we'll be there shortly, so bear with me. All right, we're here. Ooh, well, we're in Fort Lauderdale anyway. There it is. I think you can see. But we're parking over here because who's about to pay for parking? Not me. But we're on the skates again because I ain't walking either. Holy crap, dude! This is a way bigger turnout than I thought. Holy crap! But I'm so ready for it. First, what I want to do is check out the river because I see there's a bunch of stuff they have set up back there, but I gotta go check down the river first and see if they already put the ducks in the water, because if they did, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't think so though. Yeah, no ducks in the water yet, I guess. I wonder where they're gonna release them from. Probably over there, since the boundary things are. Oh. Ooh. I can't hear a single thing. Yeah, there's too many people over there, so I'm gonna cut through here real quick. Oh my gosh, I gotta buy a duck, dude. I have to. I hope they're not expensive. Excuse me? Are you busy right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna get one of them. The green one?
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Here you go. Thanks, dude. Ah, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm gonna find out when they're releasing the ducks, so. They have beer here? Oh, hell yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, do you know when they're releasing the ducks? Okay. All right, thank you. Well, got about an hour or two. Man. I hope I don't get in the way of anyone's pictures, but got about an hour or two before the grand event. So I don't know what we're gonna do in the meantime. Well, I guess in the meantime, I'll just hang out down by the river. It's super pretty out today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. There was low-key so much going on over there, and it's very loud. So I'm gonna have to probably use subtitles this whole video. Ooh, we'll find out though. Either way, this area I was not in my last video in Fort Lauderdale because it was getting late, or too late, so I didn't come through this area much. There's a lot of bars and things. Oh my gosh, a freaking Fiat. I need to go see it. It's so cute. I love these tiny cars, man. Good Lord. But yeah, the only thing really over here is the Museum of Discovery and Science. I didn't go there because I didn't know what to do there. Yeah, so there's a bunch of things in here. I think maybe I'll get up on that parking garage. They probably have a good view up there. Crap, man, I'm not taking the stairs on. Well, I guess I don't have a choice because I don't wanna skate up the damn thing. This is gonna suck. That wasn't too bad. Man, that's so pretty. Just in case these are my final moments, because this is gonna be kind of risky. Oh, I gotta brake really hard. I pray a car's not coming, man. Oh crap, there it is. Oh, good thing it's going right. Me too. Ooh, man, this is pretty as hell. 10 miles per hour, I'm definitely going faster than that. This is so freaking pretty. Please make space, because I gotta go. All right, I survived in one piece, mostly. Dude, you already know I gotta do it. Ooh. Hell yeah. Gotta do another one. Ooh, crap, this one's slow. Ah, this one's slow. Fuck. Bailing. Ooh, easy. Excuse me, what are you guys setting up for?
So this truck here has the 40,000 ducks in it. They dump it into the river.
Yeah.
And if there's no water flow, the ducks are just gonna sit here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have our fireboat out there. They're gonna spray water. Spray water from here. It's gonna push the ducks towards whatever finish line they got now.
Oh, okay, okay. That's cool, dude. How long you been coming here?
I guess we do this every year. This is my first time coming here.
Oh, okay. Well, stay safe, dude.
No problem.
I will. Sorry. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm awake now. But dude, I love the event, but it's so hard skating on these brick roads because I really don't want to run into anybody. Oh yeah. Have you guys been coming here a while? Yeah. Huh? Oh, I mean like to the event. Like, have you been to the past couple ones? Mine too. Cool. Yeah, apparently they're in that truck over there. You guys have a good one though. I will. That's alright. Oh my gosh. I gotta get a hug, dude. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Right here. Can I get a hug? Ah! Thanks, dude.
You got it.
I love when they bring the mascots out. I'm gonna go back to the front though. Yeah, I'm low-key tired. And it's hot as hell, but I really want to get in the bounce house, but I think I'm low-key too big for it. I think it's like 1:40 right now. So we got like another 50 minutes until the things go in the water. Back at the vehicle because it's hot as hell, dude. And I'm gonna switch from skates to my shoes because when the ducks drop, crap, I'm gonna want to be walking because I don't want to be running into everybody. Yeah, it's like 91, so I can't be hanging out in the heat that long. But it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna just switch and then walk back to the main place. Even if it's hot though, we got the bevs on deck, man. So I'll be okay as long as I got these, dude. They're doing the duck parade right now before the duck drop. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up well though. Hey bud. Yo, what's up, man? Oh. Who am I here with today, man? Who am I here with today? What's your name? Wilson?
Who are you?
I'm Charles.
You in charge, Charles?
Yeah. Damn, that hurt, dude. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. That's all I like to hear, man. Stay safe. Oh my gosh. They're doing the drop, man, but I can't get through. Crap. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Alright. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up too well, but they're getting a little closer. I just switched from the wide view because I didn't want it to be super zoomed out, but yeah, they're getting closer. It's just taking a while because the wind is blowing that way instead of this way. And they're really struggling with those cannons, man. Somehow they still don't have the duck wind situation figured out, and I don't know if they ever will. So I really doubt any of them are gonna cross the finish line, which is all the way over here. Damn, that sucks for the people who are in the race. Good thing I'm not. I guess I'll wait a couple more minutes, and if none of them cross or even get close to, I'm heading out. All right, so they're all across the line now. I wonder who won. I don't know how they're gonna count that win, man. There's no way to tell. Oh well. But I'm gonna start heading back to the vehicle because low-key, that took way too long. I guess the event's over now because they literally said we gotta get out of here. And the ducks are across the line, so I'm gonna get back to the vehicle and get out of here. Well, would you look at that? Guess whose vehicle is still here and paid absolutely $0 for parking? Me. Anyway, I think that's where I'm gonna end this one off. Duckfest Derby was freaking amazing, dude. If you're in Fort Lauderdale while it's in town, you should definitely go. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.